How to find your Wi-Fi password on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to locate your saved Wi-Fi password quickly and easily. First, click on the Start menu at the bottom left of your screen. After that, search for Control Panel and click on it to open. Let me show you. From there, click on Network and Internet. At this point, click on Network and Sharing Center to open your network settings. In the next step, click on the name of your Wi-Fi network shown next to Connections on the right side. From there, a Wi-Fi status window will open. Click on Wireless Properties. At this stage, click on the Security tab at the top of the window. Following this, you'll see your Wi-Fi password hidden as dots in the Network Security key field. Once done, check the box that says Show Characters to reveal your Wi-Fi password. From there, your full Wi-Fi password will now be visible. Note it down or copy it for future use. And that's it. If this guide helped you find your Wi-Fi password on Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.